Moussaka is a delicious traditional Greek dish that features layers of eggplant, spiced ground beef or lamb, and a creamy bechamel sauce. The dish is savory, flavorful, and is perfect for a cozy family dinner or a special occasion. To prepare this moussaka recipe, you will need to gather the following ingredients. 2 large eggplants, sliced lengthwise. Salt. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1 large onion, chopped. 1 pound ground beef or lamb. 2 cloves garlic, minced. Half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 of a teaspoon ground allspice. 1/4 of a teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1 can, 14 ounces, crushed tomatoes. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. 1/2 cup red wine. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint. Salt and pepper. 4 tablespoons butter. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 2 cups milk. 2 eggs, beaten. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. To start preparing the moussaka, slice the eggplants lengthwise into 1/4 inch thick slices. Sprinkle salt on both sides of each slice and let them sit in a colander for about 30 minutes to draw out any excess moisture. This will help to prevent the eggplant from getting soggy while baking. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat the olive oil. Add the chopped onion and cook until it's soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the ground beef or lamb and cook until it's browned and cooked through, breaking it up with a wooden spoon, about 8 to 10 minutes. Add the minced garlic, ground cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg and cook for an additional minute. This will add a delicious, aromatic flavor to the dish. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, red wine, chopped parsley, and chopped mint. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 15 minutes. This will allow the flavors to blend together. In a separate saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Whisk in the all-purpose flour and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Gradually whisk in the milk, and cook, stirring constantly, until the mixture thickens and comes to a boil. Remove from the heat and let it cool slightly. Whisk the beaten eggs and grated Parmesan cheese into the bechamel sauce. This will create a rich, creamy sauce that will complement the eggplant and spiced meat perfectly. Now it's time to assemble the moussaka. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish with cooking spray. Layer the eggplant slices in the bottom of the dish. Spread the spiced meat mixture on top of the eggplant slices. Add another layer of eggplant slices on top of the meat mixture. Pour the bechamel sauce on top of the eggplant slices. This will create a beautiful layered effect that will be visually appealing and add depth to the flavors. Bake the moussaka for 45 to 50 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the filling is hot and bubbly. You will know the moussaka is ready when it's nicely browned on top, and the eggplant is soft and tender. Let the moussaka cool for about 10 minutes before serving. You can garnish it with fresh herbs such as parsley or mint. This will add an extra layer of freshness and flavor to the dish. In conclusion, moussaka is a classic Greek dish that is perfect for special occasions or for a comforting family dinner. It takes a little time to prepare, but the end result is definitely worth the effort. This recipe features layers of eggplant, spiced meat, and creamy bechamel sauce that will delight your taste buds with its rich and savory flavors. When you make this dish, take your time and enjoy the process. Layering the ingredients is a fun and creative way to prepare the moussaka, and it's an excellent opportunity to get the kids involved in the kitchen. The dish is perfect for serving a crowd, and it's a great way to introduce your friends and family to the delicious flavors of Greek cuisine. In addition, this dish can be easily adapted to fit your dietary needs. You can use a combination of beef and lamb or substitute one for the other. If you're vegetarian, you can leave out the meat and add additional layers of vegetables, such as zucchini or roasted bell peppers. You can also adjust the spices to your taste preference, and experiment with different herbs to create a unique and personalized flavor. In summary, this Divine Greek Moussaka recipe is a great way to bring the flavors of Greece into your home. With its layers of eggplant, spiced meat, and creamy bechamel sauce, it's a dish that is sure to please even the pickiest eaters. So gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready to enjoy this classic and delicious dish.